Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Memory Management internal blue screen error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So, the first solution will be to update the graphics card drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. And then expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and select Update Drivers. Right click on the second one and then select Update Drivers. The next solution will be to run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. So search for Memory Diagnostic in the Windows search bar and open Windows Memory Diagnostic. Click on Restart now and check for problems. The next solution will be to update Windows. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on Check for updates in the right pane. The last solution will be an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.